Hi friends! A few days ago, a friend asked for a necklace, so I made this for her and for all of you who are interested. This pattern was originally from another crocheter on YouTube. I just had to adjust the stitches to make it work for the material I'm using. I also made a bracelet with the same pattern. So I'm using crochet thread 10 of this neutral color and 1.4mm crochet hook and some round beads. These are about 6mm in diameter. First, make a slip knot. Then chain 1. Then we need to add the first bead. If your bead's hole is big enough for your hook to go through, it would save you a lot of work. You would just insert your hook in the bead and pull through the thread. But here I have to use a threader to help. Now I need to put my hook back into the thread loop. Now make a chain stitch with the bead. Then chain 4. Now make a slip stitch in the first chain. Then chain 1 and turn the work. Then make 6 single crochet in the chain space. Make sure insert your hook under the thread that's below the stitches, so you will hide up the thread as you go. Now chain 1, turn the work. You can turn this way or this way, it doesn't really matter. Then single crochet in each stitch across. Then chain 1 and turn the work again. Then make a single crochet and chain 1 and single crochet and chain 1, just repeat across. So here we've done the first section. From now on, we just repeat what we've done in the first section. So here I chain 1 and I'm gonna join my second bead. Now chain 1 with the bead and then chain 4. Now turn the work. Make a slip stitch in the first chain. The first chain is right here. I just insert my hook in one loop. Now chain 1 and turn the work again. Now again make 6 single crochet along the chain. Chain 1 and turn the work. Now single crochet in each stitch across. Here we're gonna join the first segment to prevent the crochet work from twisting. Just make a slip stitch in the last stitch of the first segment. It's right here. Now chain 1 and turn the work. Skip the first stitch and make a single crochet in the next stitch. Then chain 1 and make a single crochet in the next stitch. Then after that just repeat chain 1 and a single crochet in the next stitch. Now we've done 2 segments. So now just repeat and make as many segments as you want. So here for my bracelet, I only made 11 segments. My wrist is small. And here for my necklace, I made about 19 inches. So here on one end, I installed a jump ring, and the other end, both a jump ring and a clasp. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next video.